In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to sign the question, joy lose, and the statement, joy lose. Okay, we're going to start with the question, so here we go. This is what it looks like, then we'll break it apart. Okay, so first we have the name, so we're going to fingerspell. Here we go. J-O-Y, right? Joy. Let's do it 2 times. Sign with me. Fingerspell with me. Here we go. Joy. Okay, moving forward. The sign for lose, vocabulary. Here's how we sign lose. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed. Non-dominant hand for me, my left hand. I'm going to make this hand shape. Fingers here, spread apart, put them together, thumb alongside. Now we're going to put it here. That's our platform. With your right hand, if your dominant hand is right hand, mine's right hand, we're going to make the letter V. All right? Like in the alphabet, U, V, W. Remember, fingers together is a U, fingers apart, that is a V. It's just a peace sign, right? Now take that V, we're going to use this part, and we're going to smack it down on top of our open palm. Lose. Lose. From the side. Lose. Other side. From the front again. Lose. All right, so starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Lose. Okay, quick reminder. Now, when we talk about lose here, we're not talking about lose your keys, lose your money, something like that. We're talking about lose a game. For example, chess, a competition, something where you're trying to win, right? It's the opposite of win. If you want to say lose your keys, the sign for that would be like this. Like you lose your money, you lose your keys, lose. But we're talking about lose as in a game, a competition. So we're going to go like this. Now, most people aren't too happy when they lose, so you can put it in your face to help describe the situation. Lose. Put so much energy in and lose. Okay, quick review. Remember, non-dominant hand, make that platform. Dominant hand, make a V, and just stick it down on top. That's the sign for lose. Okay, moving forward, let's do the question. We know the signs. We know how to do joy, lose. Now we need to make sure it's a question. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so at the end of the sentence, or in this sentence throughout the whole thing, because it's just nice, sweet, and short, raise your eyebrows, lean forward. You're like, I want to know what's happening. Kind of like you're looking over a fence, you're peeking over. Want to know what's going on? All right, so we go like this. Joy, lose. All right, let's do it a couple times. Sign with me. Here we go. All right, let's do the opposite. Let's do the statement, right? So we're just going to have a neutral expression, or maybe you can nod at the end, but you're not going to raise your eyes. You're not going to lean forward because it's a declarative sentence. We're sharing information. All right, so let's do it. If you want, you can add in kind of an unpleasant look on your face. You're telling someone, you know, Joy didn't win. And we were counting on her, by golly. Joy, lose. All right, let's do it a couple times. Sign with me. All right, quick, back to the question. How do we do it? All right, remember the signs are the same, but the facial expression is very important. All right, joy, lose, the question. And the statement. Okay, so in this lesson, we talked about how to sign Joy lose, the question, and the statement, Joy lose. Okay, wonderful.